guys, this is Wire here from DIY Gadget. What am I going to review today? No, I'm not going to review a mouse. No, I'm not going to review a keyboard. What else can I review? It's the SonicGear Titan 7 BTMI 2017 version. Probably the most colorful bookshelf speakers that I've ever seen. This is because the Titan 7 features 7 colors pulsating LED around the speakers and subwoofer. However, there are no features that changes the color on the speakers according to the song, since it's just pulsating. Before we move on to how to set up the speaker, let's look on the appearance itself. Both of the satellites has very clean and simple design with no any button on it. It is small and light, so it won't take up much of your table space to set up. Meanwhile, the main thing is on the subwoofer, the brain and drive for the whole system. On front, you get a colorful output on the left side, while the 2 dials on right appear to be with the volume and also bass adjustment. On the back, you can see all kind of connection that link with the satellite. We have the power button right below the power supply, the USB output for the satellite, and finally 2 RCA composite cable for the audio output. Lastly, on top, you'll find yourself a very simple button management. Obviously, you're able to tell the speaker to take on Bluetooth, USB, SD card, and also FM radio as well. Easy peasy operating system. Here is the wiring diagram on how you should set up your speaker. Connect your AC power to power source. Next, the USB for audio output. The top will be your right channel, while the bottom it's left channel. Finally, connect the 2 RCA audio input by following the same color as your USB. Connect the other end with your source, which your computer or your MP3 player. Your Titan 7 is ready to use. Last but not least, make sure the subwoofer is placed on the floor for final setup. Operating the Titan 7 could be confusing for your first time, but trust me, it will get easier later. By default, the Titan 7 will take in any audio from your input device. By clicking the mode, it will turn into Bluetooth mode. You will know by hearing its sound and the lights start blinking. You'll be able to connect it with any of your Bluetooth device for audio output. While in Bluetooth mode, press the mode again and it will turn to FM mode. You can search your channel by press and hold the play button. It will auto search and save all the scanned FM channel. You can switch between channel by pressing next or previous button. See, it's not complicated once you try it for the first time. Anyway, let's move on to the most important part, the sound quality. The only thing that I'm not satisfied with this speaker is its layering. When you are playing a song with more than a few instruments, the layering tends to get very messy and hard to catch up. Meanwhile, I'm very happy with the vocal. Although it's not the best, but with this price range, I ain't complaining. Anybody got time for that? Here's some tips and hacks to make your speaker sounds better. Try levitating it leviosa, not leviosa, them to have a better sound stage. Else, the sounds, it will be trapped inside the speaker. If you like a budget options, just use 2 rolls of tissue to lift it out. Or you can also choose to use a speaker stand if you would like it to integrate into your furniture. Another thing that I hope it can get improved is the remote control. Because the subwoofer is on the ground, you have to constantly get down to the ground level to adjust its volume and bass level. Nevertheless, this is a great budget 2.1 sound system and it only costs 149 ringgit and 90 cents only. That's all for my review this week. Remember to like it, share it and subscribe it. See you again next week. Bye! Are you masturbating again?
No, I am just looking at prawn. Just prawn. Prawn. Yo guys, don't forget to check out our other video as well, only in the Gadget channel.